Hey everyone, it's Saturday and it's tropical storm warning here, well, for Southern California, Hurricane Hilary. It has been downgraded to tropical storm, but there could still be parts that are, evacuated. Well, they are evacuating parts of San Bernardino. We could have as much rain in a 24-hour period as a whole year. So as we talk about prepping, and I don't even think you should, it's not even about prepping, it's about being ready for a natural disaster and having things on hand in case you have to leave your home. Obviously the best is to hunker down, stay indoors, stay at your home. That's going to be the easiest. We could possibly lose power, making sure all your phones are charged. Again, we don't know what can be. Hopefully it'll just be, pass over us, dump a lot of rain. But again, the power could go out. So they've been advising it. As far as having, battery banks, as you know, I have all that. I've got food, I've got water, I've got a bug out bag, and I put all my documents into my briefcase, and in case, I have to pick it up and go. So, I have a bug out bag in my car with all the necessities. So, we're just hoping for the best and to get through this. But, obviously, like I said, the worst case scenario will be leaving your home. You may be forced to go to evacuation center. So, we'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. And I just wanted to read you some articles that I'd saved. I'd meant to do a video yesterday, and I just didn't have the time. U.S. Bank is forced to liquidate and sell off its loans deposits after important update on customer money is issued. All these links will be down in the description box. Wind down. U.S. Bank is forced to liquidate and sell off its loans and deposits after important update on customers' money is issued. A bank suspected of having links to the infamous cryptocurrency company FTX has been forced to liquidate. Farmington State Bank in Washington is winding down its operations after Fed sent a cease and desist. A bank in Washington State has been forced to liquidate. Federal Reserve Board officials have accused the company of changing its business operations without informing supervisors and getting the necessary approval. That sounds shady, doesn't it? The bank is accused of engaging in crypto-related activities as reported by FX Street. Josie Booth, Director of Business Operations for Farmington, told the Spokesman Review earlier this month that the branch will be closing. Another branch closing. Officials have said they've sent emails to customers informing them that the bank is shutting down. There's a little bit more to this, but you get the gist of it, right? Another bank. I just reported one last week. And I remember I spoke in my last video about, I think starting next month in September is when student loans are going to go into effect. People have to start paying them back, right? When student loan payments resume, 56% of borrowers say they'll have to choose between their debt and buying groceries. It's like I said, this isn't factored in right now to a lot of people's budgets, right? Because under this administration, what did he say? He said, oh, we're going to do student loan forgiveness. Well, no, the Supreme Court overturned that. Federal student loan payments are coming back. They are going to wreak havoc on borrowers' budget. As if people don't have enough to worry about. But again, you went to school, no one forced you, and everybody else has had to pay their debt back, right? I feel for people. I do, But over half of borrowers, 56%, say they will be forced to choose between making their loan payment or covering necessities like rent and groceries when the forbearance ends, according to a new survey from Credit Karma. The finding is in line with that with Biden administration. Many experts have long feared through the brunt and pandemic is in the rearview mirror, and inflation is down from its rise last year. Resuming student loan payments is likely going to hurt millions of households that have found some financial security over the past 3 years. Cutting back on a non-essential spending will be the most typical way borrowers will adjust to make their student loan payments, according to Credit Karma. But there are also so many expenses you can't eliminate. Even higher earners will struggle when payments resume. Unsurprisingly, 68% of borrowers with household incomes under $50,000 say they will have to choose between keeping up with their loan payments and buying necessities. You know, this is sad. This shows you that how many people are in debt, how many people are using and maxing out credit cards, how many people have student loans, and you know, during the scamdemic, you know, they had the forbearance, and now it's coming back, and it's going to put these people in even a more of a crunch, a more of a bind. So I'm not going to make this long. I just wanted to get on here, and you know, because I don't know if we'll have power after tonight, right? So I will try my best to keep everyone updated. Thank you for everyone that reached out and wished me well. I do appreciate that. You guys are truly the best. I have the best subscribers of all YouTube, right? I am partial to my subscribers, obviously. So I hope everyone, you guys have a safe rest of your week. And stay safe out there. And until next time, God bless. The skies are just laden with clouds. And yeah, I guess it's going to be starting. They said about 2 p.m. So we're a little bit after 2 p.m. now. And like I said, I'll try to keep you posted. All right, everyone, stay safe out there. God bless.